Hi friends, welcome to my channel NM Learn Make Courses with Nagamani. And yesterday I started the engineering mathematics subject, and till now we saw the definition of the matrix and some type of matrices. They are important for IP point of view like theory exams, but this video will helpful to competitive exams. And coming to the today's topic, new symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is said to be symmetric if the condition satisfies A transpose is equal to A, then it's said to be a symmetric matrix. What is A transpose? A transpose means if the rows are interchanged into columns or columns are interchanged into rows, then the matrix is said to be a transpose of matrix. If that transpose matrix is equal to the same of the given matrix, then it is said to be a symmetric matrix. Similarly, if you see the skew symmetric matrix, A transpose is equal to minus A. The condition is A transpose is equal to minus A. If it satisfies, then it is said to be a skew symmetric matrix. That means by interchanging the rows into columns or columns into rows, then we get the negative of the that matrix, then it is said to be a skew symmetric matrix. And coming to the idempotent matrix, which means square of the matrix is equal to the same of given matrix, then it is said to be a idempotent matrix. If you see the example, we can easily identify the idempotent matrix for 2 by 2 order, but 3 by 3 order is somewhat difficult to remember. I will say something about this. Here you see the matrix 3 by 3 order, and in the first column of second row and first column of third row are same numbers, but the sign will be changed. Similarly, if you see the third column of the first row and third column of the second row elements, if you see the numbers 4 and 4, they are same, but the sign will be changed. This we can identify the idempotent matrix in any competitive exam. It will take some seconds to solve the identify the idempotent matrix. And coming to the involutory matrix, which means if the square of the matrix is equal to the identity matrix, then it is said to be involutory matrix. Idempotent matrix have some clue for identifying, but involutory matrix does not have any clue, so that we have to solve. Coming to the nilpotent matrix, if a matrix satisfies a power m equal to 0, then the matrix is said to be a nilpotent matrix, where m is the least positive integer. For example, in exam they will give the matrix of A and they will ask the index of the matrix. By verifying the matrix, where the matrix is come to the null matrix, that is 0 matrix, then the least positive integer is known as nilpotent index of the matrix. And if for example the matrix is A is given, and for we are getting eighth power 4 equal to 0, and A cube is not equal to 0 matrix, then 4 is the index of the that matrix. And coming to the orthogonal matrix, if a matrix A is said to be a orthogonal matrix if it satisfies the condition A into A transpose is equal to A transpose into A equal to identity matrix, then only we can say A as orthogonal matrix. And coming to the conjugate matrix, it is denoted by A bar. And for if you see the example, there I have imaginary or complex numbers. Conjugate means we have to change the sign of the complex number. Here in example they give the I, and here we get in conjugate matrix as minus I. Same, if wherever we have imaginary number, then we have to change that sign. Coming to the Hermitian matrix. The conjugate matrix whole transpose is known as Hermitian matrix. If the conjugate matrix whole transpose is equal to minus of given matrix, then it is said to be a skew Hermitian matrix. And unitary matrix is A into A Hermitian matrix is equal to A Hermitian matrix into A equal to, we get identity matrix. Then the matrix is said to be a unitary matrix. And if you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all.